Presenting Storite 2-pack moisture-proof nylon large size underbed storage bag. This storage bag is made of waterproof material fabric with pleasing looks, which makes an elegant storage solution for your wardrobe needs, and its top zipper makes easy opening and closing with one zippered small pocket. This storage bag provides complete protection from dust and moisture-proof, and store them for long periods of time. The box contains 2 big storage bags. The bag can be folded back when not in use. It collapses flat for saving precious storage space. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.
Hi guys, this is Shravya, and in this video I will be reviewing the storage bag by Storite. So let's get started. This nylon bag has a total capacity of 69.55 liters. It provides complete protection from dust, moths and rain for long periods of time. The fabric has a high absorbency power that gets rid of any moisture or odor. I love how easily you can fold the bag when it is not in use. Just collapse it and save it aside for later. There is a zipper at the top that makes it super convenient for both long-term and frequent usage. It's perfect for storing quilts, blankets, saris, etc. That's it guys, it's time to say goodbye to your storage woes.
Storite Nylon Big Underbed Storage Organizer. This storage bag is highly durable and is made out of nylon, and it will keep your valuable items from dust, bugs and moisture. Once filled, it can easily fit inside or under your bed or in your closet to store your valuable saris, clothes or blankets, bed sheets or books. The storage capacity of this bag is 66.55 liters to fit every possible large valuable item. If not in use, this bag itself is collapsible in design to save precious space in your racks or shelves. It has pleasing looks to suit your travels and is utterly easy to use, as it has really strong handles with a top zipper and an extra zippered pocket. Make a smart choice with Storite.
Hi there, this is Lipika Biswas. Today I am here to talk about Storite Nylon Underbed Storage Bag. Let me tell you more about it. This Storite Underbed Nylon bag comes in a pack of 2. It measures 54 by 46 by 28 centimeters, which makes storing big, bulky objects a convenient affair. With up to 69.55 liter storage capacity, this bag can truly handle multiple objects like clothes, blanket and linen. The design is smart, as it can easily be folded while not in use. It's made of nylon and provides complete protection from dust, moth, moisture and rain. You can store your item for long periods of time without the worry of them being damaged. What's more in that, this bag can easily be slipped underneath the beds, in wardrobes and within the storage cabinets. I have found this bag a great solution between the season. Do check it out.